Quoting your auto insurance, homeowners insurance, renter's condo, or mobile home is quick and easy in our online quote portal, and I'm going to walk you through the process. Now, the screen you're looking at may be colored differently, but all functionality is the same. Simply fill out your first name, last name, email address, and the rest of the information requested, and click Continue. Here you select whether you want to quote insurance for your auto, home, condo or renters, or both. For this demonstration, we'll do both. If you're only quoting your homeowner's insurance, these screens for drivers and vehicles will be skipped. Complete the necessary information for the first driver, filling out as much information as possible, including your driver's license number, helps insurance companies provide the most beneficial quotes. When complete, click Next. This screen allows you to add additional drivers. You would do so by clicking Add Additional Driver and completing the last screen again for each one. Do this for all drivers in your household. When complete, click Next. Notice that it's not allowing me to continue because it's telling me that I must add another driver, my spouse, before continuing. That's because I entered my own information as being married. For this demonstration, I will click Edit and change my status to Single and click Save. Now it will allow me to continue. Our system can automatically pull your vehicle information, or you can enter it manually, such as if the vehicle is a new or pending purchase. However, if your vehicles are already registered with the Department of Motor Vehicles, automatically is the easiest. Simply fill out your address and click Continue. Any registered vehicles should be listed. To keep this demo simple, I will select one vehicle. However, you can select them all, as well as click I don't see my vehicle here in order to manually add a newly acquired vehicle. When ready, click Next. The system pre-fills certain information. Adjust as needed. Be sure to assign a primary driver to each vehicle. When ready, click Save. Now, just as you had the opportunity to add or edit drivers, you can add or edit vehicles. Click Next when ready. Add any recent at-fault incidents or accidents for all drivers on this screen. Insurance companies pull driver records just prior to putting coverage in place. So to avoid price adjustments, be sure to list incidents here. Now we will enter information regarding homeowners insurance. This is also where you would select whether you would like to quote renters or condo insurance. Enter the home address if not pre-filled and click Next. On this screen, enter the details about the home and a brief note regarding the different kinds of roofing. On the left, you will see an example of standard asphalt shingles, whereas on the right, these are architectural shingles. Scroll to the bottom and complete the remaining questions. It is important to note that if your property contains any of the accessories such as smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, burglar alarms, or deadbolts, that you annotate it to receive the appropriate discounts. When done, select Next. Input the levels of insurance coverage you would like quoted. In general, the higher the deductible, the lower the premium. Conversely, the lower the deductible, the higher the premium. In addition, select wind or hurricane deductible with what you feel comfortable. The property we are quoting is near the ocean, so we normally see a 2% wind deductible. However, I would like to see if any insurance companies would provide a $1,500 flat deductible. I realize it will limit the insurance companies who will quote, but that's okay because I want to know what it will cost. Click Next. Double check any information provided on this page and fill in any missing detail. In particular, enter the number of years you have lived at this residence, as some discounts may apply. Many insurance companies require prior coverage for your auto or home in order to provide a quote. Even if for a different auto or home, complete the appropriate information. If you don't know the details, fill in what you do know. If your prior insurance company is not listed, select Other Standard. If this is your first time buying insurance, select No Prior Insurance. Fill in when your current policy expires or the date for which you'd like the quote to be effective. A date 1 to 30 days in advance should be selected, as many insurance companies will not quote as of the same day, nor will they quote more than 30 days in advance. If more than 30 days are needed, no problem. Simply select a date within the 30-day time frame to get a price, then come back to refresh the quote at a later time. Complete the acknowledgments and click Submit. An insurance score will be pulled, which does not affect your credit rating. Your quotes are now being generated. The system may take a minute as it goes out to all of our insurance companies and get your quotes. The quoting finished and 4 quotes were returned. So as to not present too much information, only the best quotes are typically displayed. However, we have many insurance companies, over 350 at our last count, so many that not all are on this system. Thus, we will continue to work behind the scenes on your behalf, analyze your particular needs, and contact you should we find better coverage or a lower rate. We'll also reach out to you just to see if you have any questions whatsoever. And bear in mind, we will never put any coverage in place without allowing you to speak with one of our licensed and trained insurance agents to ensure you're comfortable with the coverages you're requesting to be put in place. And look at this. In the meantime, an email was received that includes all the quote details, plus a phone number and email address I can contact should I have questions or want to put this coverage in place. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of our online quoting system. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact us at 888-764-1776 or isales@bankersinsurance.net. Thank you.